Are you trying to pick the right music distribution service? Today, we'll compare Onerpm and DistroKid to help you decide which one is better for you. Both Onerpm and DistroKid help artists get their music onto streaming platforms. They both make it easier to share your songs with the world, but they have some differences that might sway your choice. Let's start with Onerpem. This service offers a wide range of tools for artists. You can distribute your music, manage your rights, and even market your songs. ONRPM is known for its global reach, making it a good choice if you want to target international listeners. Now, let's look at DistroKid. This platform is popular for its simplicity. It allows you to upload unlimited songs for a flat fee each year. DistroKid is user friendly, making it easy for new musicians to get started. Plus, they pay you quickly when your music earns money. Uh, what are the key differences? ONRPM offers more features for marketing and rights management. However, DistroKid is often favored for its straightforward pricing and fast payouts. In terms of features, ONRPM provide analytics and promotional tools. DistroKid focuses on ease of use and quick distribution. Both have their strength, but your choice depends on what you need. When it comes to pricing, ONRPM has a more complex structure based on sales. DistroKid, on the other hand, has a simple annual fee that covers everything. In the end, if you want a comprehensive service with marketing tools, ONRPM might be your best bet, but if you prefer a simple, affordable option for getting your music out there, DistroKid is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.